there everyone, welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. So I wanted to share with you another birthday card that I have created for a very sweet lady that is having a birthday challenge. She's so sweet. I've known her through swaps and whatnot for a little while now, and she's just the sweetest lady. I am going to put her YouTube channel down in the description box. Hopefully, you know, you'll go in to her challenge and show her some love and support. Her name is Abril Martinez. And okay, so let me show you what I have created for her. Again, the base of the card, the flowered base, I have used the Park Lane paper. It's 110-pound weight cardstock, and I have used, which one did I use? Was it it was this one right here. Okay, so that one is the base of the card, and on the inside, since it's white, I didn't line it like I did the last birthday card. So let me show you the inside, nice and crispy white. And I will be writing on this card because it is a birthday card for her. So what I've done is I used purple for the outer mat, and then I cut, let me show you the dies that I used. And these guys, I honestly don't remember what store I got them from, but they are from AliExpress. And I did use the largest die for this this mat right here. And then I used purple again, and I used the second smaller die, which was this one right here. I did not use the one that is follows the large one. I used the second smallest. And again, I put that purple mat, and I put the die on the top, and then I stamped happy birthday with the freebies that I had gotten from scrapbook.com. Okay, and then all the little flowers. This trim comes from my stash. This is one of the flowers that I had hauled from Tuesday morning that I shared with you guys. These foam flowers are from Daiso, and this one was from AliExpress. And this stamen cluster right here, guys, I'm not even sure where I got it. I've had it for so long, I really don't know where I got it. But that's a stamen cluster, and then I put a little heart, a bling heart there that I had gotten from, I don't remember. Like, you guys know that I have had my stash forever. And then these little flat back pieces come from somewhere. Yeah, I know I'm bad, guys. And then I just wrapped this little what do you call it, this trim that one comes from Michael's from, I think it was Halloween last year maybe. So anyway, I just made a bow here with that trim, wrapped it around here a couple of times, and I think I had them a little too close to each other. So I just wrapped it around this card a couple of times, and that is up on dimensional. So I use that foam to pop it up on, and that way it's not so flat. It'll give it some dimension. There you go. And that's all I did, guys. I know this one came together a little more quickly than the last one did. So I'm thinking, I don't know, maybe, I don't know. I was going to say maybe I'm getting a little better at them, but yeah, I'm not going to say that that's the case. But I did just want to share that card with you guys. I will share her YouTube channel name by way of link in the description box in case you guys want to go check her out. She's super sweet, and I will talk to everyone later. Thank you so much for tuning in, guys. I appreciate your support. Thanks a lot, guys.